polishing the quarter panel. And this is what we are fighting all over. Good afternoon. It's some bush hogging, getting close to these cars as I can. I thought I'd just walk through here and look. This is the big cars and station wagons. Convertible. Some of these cars are a little bit more intact than the other side, but you see they're not the hot car, they're the station wagons. Big cars. I was trying to think, a friend of mine used to have, his dad had one like that. Just walking down through here and letting y'all see what I'm seeing. You might can hear a cutter going in the background. That's over in the other part. And probably when all these leaves get off these trees, we're going to be easing back here. But I got this as close as I could, so unless I have to cut with that brush cutter. Car after car after car. I think right over in there I've seen some Super Bees. You can tell when they need parts around a car, they've got some of the trees away from it. I can't. I'm gonna walk on over on that other side. You see it's kind of like a maze through here. And Russell's been doing this pretty good. We cut all this down last year and had it looking like this, but we couldn't keep up with Mother Nature. When it gets so growed up and you got to worry about snakes so bad, we already lost it. So I just start all over. And not completely start over. We can go through and we won't have to have the wood chipper. We can just cut the stuff and throw it out in the middle of the aisles and get the bush hog. I was thinking I seen some Super Bees over here. I think I can show y'all some neat trailer hitches. Won't do their cars now like they used to. They couldn't afford to have all these cars, 2 or 3 different cars, so they had trailer hitches. These are roasted. And this is one you won't be able to see from flying the drone over. All you see is trees. And how did that one get in the mix? You can bet they probably got this one when they got 3 or 4 other cars and instead of just leaving them there. Because there's this one, I think there's 2 other early 50 model Dodges here. I'm just going to walk down through here and let y'all see what's here. There's a Super B. You can just barely see the Super B left. That thing's toast too. I'll walk around the front of it. I don't think it's a whole lot to see. I was going down through here in the tractor. Yeah. Well, maybe by this time next year, you'll be able to see these cars from the drone. Like that was probably a race car at one time. Old station wagon. I seen one with a neat strap kit. Professional strap kit. I'm gonna ease back towards the tractor. See what I can come up on. Yeah, I think I'll go up this way. I don't believe I could find a place for that one to come in here. Trees already. Trees have caved in the door. I'm sure somebody come through here bush hogging might have caught that bumper, but it was pretty roach in the quarter panel. And this is what we are fighting all over this place. Yeah, that little tree growed up in there. Yeah, there's a trailer hitch. You wouldn't hardly see a trailer hitch on a convertible anymore. I don't know any of them that's made where you could put anything. I'll go back through this little aisle. Yeah, I wish these old cars could tell stories. where we don't have to fight the trees a little bit. Walk around some of these cars. And be glad. It's right here, look, all like this right here. Well, I spotted what I've done, what I need to do. We got to go back up here and get a walk behind brush cutter that will go in between these cars right here. You see, there's probably 2 foot of weeds out here, and I got the tractor and went down as close as I could. Cut that down on what I have to do with the brush cutter and the one we walk behind. Well, got to get on the tractor and ride up there and walk all the way back. If I don't get back and after I do the